Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a boomerang on your own on CapCut PC. So you are just going to select your video and you're going to copy and paste it. Make sure your video isn't too long though, because it's going to look a little bit weird. Then on the second video you're just going to select the reverse button and it's going to reverse your clips, and you're just going to basically copy and paste it how many times you want, however many times you want. To create the boomerang effect. If it's still too long, just adjust it. I feel like this might be a little bit too long. Okay, that's actually not that long, but that is how you can create the boomerang video animation on CapCut PC manually. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!